Downloading data from YouTube TV can be useful for keeping track of your favorite shows and movies. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Check your subscription. Ensure you have an active YouTube TV subscription. You need to be a paying member to access the features required for downloading content. Step 2. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device. You can use a smartphone, tablet, or smart TV to access your account. Step 3. Find the content. Browse or search for the show or movie you want to download. Once you find it, click on the title to view its details. Step 4. Download the content. Look for the download icon, which typically resembles a downward arrow. Tap on it to start downloading the selected content to your device. Step 5. Access your downloads. Once the download is complete, navigate to the library section of the app. Here, you will find all your downloaded content available for offline viewing. With these steps, you can easily download and enjoy your favorite shows and movies from YouTube TV anytime, even without an internet connection.